Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix settings not saving on GTA 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Steam or other platform where you got the game, and then you just need to go to GTA files. And once you're on GTA files, you need to find command line.txt file. If you do not find it, you just need to create one. Just add new file here and text document and just name it command line, and then open up. And here what you need to do here is to write dash ignore different video card, and then you need to try the game. And if for some reason it's not working, then what you need to do here next is to write dash again texture quality, and then 0, and make it space here, the texture quality 0. And then what you need to do here is to save document, and then your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.